What is going on, guys? Lottery Socks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, we have an insane earnings week for the entire market, and if you have $1,000, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do with it to hopefully turn that into $2, $5, $10, $20,000 this week. Now, 5 of the 7 of the Magnificent 7 stocks are reporting earnings this week, and to put that into perspective for you, over $20 trillion worth of U.S. companies are reporting earnings, which is going to drastically affect the overall market. Now, before we directly get into these earnings plays and what you should be doing, I want to preface this by saying I don't give financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and today's video is going to be a plate full of a little bit of risk. The first things first, I want to talk about cryptocurrency. And the last cryptocurrency I'm going to talk about is a play that may 10, 20, 100, 1000, 10,000x. And I want to put it on your radar because all of my crypto people out there who don't know about this one are going to be very grateful. First of all, the markets have been ripping, and we are in what I think is the beginning of an altcoin season or crypto season, crypto bull run, whatever you want to call it. And Bitcoin is currently trading at 67,000. This is the first leg up out of this consolidation falling parallel channel that it has been in, and it is leading the way, opening the door for other cryptos, some of which I do have, including Bitcoin. Bitcoin recently bounced off of this respected ascending support trend line that it has bounced off of once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times now, and is likely to now push past 69K and break into all-time highs very soon, probably around election. Dogecoin as well, pushing up on 14 cents on the top of this flag pattern, testing for a breakout, next level being 16 cents. If you have Dogecoin, let me know in the comments down below. I personally own a good chunk of Dogecoin. It's probably my second largest holding alongside Bitcoin. And the good news is, if you have a little bit to invest, it can increase very quickly if you put it into cryptocurrency. Obviously, there is risk, but you're lucky to be seeing this video because it is the beginning of the season, in my personal opinion. And I think post-election, crypto is going to have a lot of moves higher. Now, the markets are closed. It's the weekend, and you can see Dogecoin is up 5%. Bitcoin is up over 1%. And the next one, Shiba, up almost 2%. Also flagging out like Dogecoin, but we need to see a little bit of strength in SHIB as well. I also own this one. XRP, I think, is a buying opportunity if you don't have it just yet, and that is because it is testing this support trend line once again, and every single time it has had massive gains to the upside, coming from 10 cents all the way up to 32 cents in the matter of 4 to 5 months, coming from 17 cents all the way past $1 in the matter of 4 to 5 months, so on and so forth. It's happened every single time it has tested this bottom trend line, and I think it's one to definitely put on your radar. Next up is going to be Solana, SOL, breaking out of the flag pattern in early runner, up almost 4%, coming right up, in my opinion, to 206.35, and if Solana continues to run, which it likely will, you're watching 260. If we break 260 on Solana, it's going to go to prices that have never been seen before, past $414. So this one is definitely one to continue to dollar cost average into, in my opinion, in your portfolio. As of right now, I do not own Solana. I'm going to put that out there to be very transparent. But if I was going to get in, it would be probably this week. Now, the 2 plays that I want to put on your radar that could potentially be quick gains, I'm more excited about the second one, but RNTUSD, you are going to have to find some platforms to purchase this one on, including the next one. But this is one that you can clearly see has been consolidating to the upside since early October, coming from 0.002 cents all the way up to 0.025 cents, which is a major gain, even though it is priced very low. To put that into perspective, that is a gain of about 1,000%, give or take some change. This is also a coin that is backed by Andrew Tate, so this could have some pumps coming. Next up, and the one that I'm most excited for, is Alien Base Token, ticker symbol ALB. For all of my crypto junkies out there, my risk takers, this is one to put on your radar. Just like Bonk was in the running, now it's Alien Base Token. And again, that's not me giving up on Bonk. I want to put that out there. Bonk is still definitely one to pay attention to, but this one is up almost 3,000%, and it is testing an all-time high, but with a full body candle. It's not testing a high with the wick, it's testing a high with a full body candle. And I think after tonight, if you can't figure out how to get into this, you may just be joining the run as it breaks out. And I think it's about to break out. Now, if you have $1,000, you can choose to diversify it into these cryptocurrencies, or if you have more than $1,000, here's what else that you are going to do, and it's going to be playing some of these earnings plays. I am most excited for, obviously, the Magnificent Seven stocks. I'm going to give some that I'm just going to immediately see off of this page that I'm looking at. It is Ford. That comes out Monday after market close. It is SoFi. That comes out Tuesday before open. It is PayPal. That comes out also Tuesday before open. However, I don't like to play the prior to open ones. I like to play the after close ones, which it brings me into AMD. I am excited for. Google, I am excited for. Snap, Chipotle, Visa, Reddit. We move on. I'm excited for Microsoft and Meta, Coinbase, Robinhood, Etsy and Riot I'm even excited for, and Roku, Carvana, and Starbucks. Honestly, Wednesday after close is a very good day. Tuesday after close is a very good day. Thursday after close is a very good day. Amazon, INTC, I am both excited for. And in the morning, you have Uber, so on and so forth. Friday as well, one I'm paying attention to is Fubo, ExxonMobil. Overall, these are the earnings plays that I am going to be watching. And I think personally, it is a better idea, and it's the last earnings season I'm going to say this probably, to go bullish on these, go long on these. And the only reason is because of the state of the market. Okay, the market has been continuing to rally, and it just got a slight correction, and now it is building its base back up. In my opinion, until this thing reaches 600, I don't see major weakness, and if we see major weakness in earnings, then this will not come to fruition. Therefore, I think we see some strength in the earnings. Okay, this is the seasonal earnings that is going to affect the market, and I think the market needs some more positive effects because it's not done running yet. This is all in my humble opinion, and I could very well be wrong. I want to put that out there for you guys to grasp onto. Now, before the week starts, the economic data that is coming out is Tuesday, consumer confidence and JOLTS job openings, and then you have Wednesday, ADP non-farm payrolls, Q3 GDP, and pending home sales. And then on Thursday, you have jobless claims, core PCE, inflation, employment cost index, and Chicago PMI. Friday, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, and ISM manufacturing PMI. So we have a lot of data coming out this week as well that will hopefully just be bullish for the market. Now, a bull run already showing early signs of strength. The market showing signs of strength. I don't think it's going to be shut down very quickly. We saw how long 2021 lasted, and I'm not saying it's going to be that long. However, I'm not saying it's not going to last longer. Who's to shut it down? You always want to play the trend. In my personal opinion, it's the easiest way to make money. But we will try and buck the trend at some point and figure out when this thing is going to slow down, because there is likely a recession over the horizon that is going to cause the market to drop drastically, just based on underlying factors that I think will be coming out in Q1 of 2025 or so. That is what we're watching this week. If you have $1,000, here are some major plays. I would figure out how to get your hands on some ALB token, alien-based token, and I would figure out the earnings plays that most catch your eye and figure out the implied volatility, what contracts you want to grab, what way you want to play it, and this is going to be a risk on week, and I'm extremely excited for it. Alongside all of this, you have the short squeeze plays that of course are going to come to fruition, and if you want to hear more about those, make sure to hit that notification bell on the channel. I want to tell you guys one thing that I'm doing that is brand new. There's a link in the description. If you want to leave a tip, leave the ticker you want me to cover, and I will cover it in a YouTube short for you guys as soon as I can. That's going to take you over here. It doesn't matter how much you leave, just leave a tip with the message of the ticker that you want me to cover, and I will cover it in a YouTube short very briefly for you guys. As always, if you're not in the Discord yet, it is the top link in the description. I'm in there on the daily. You can see my trades as soon as I take them. There's option sweeps, orders, dark pool alerts, insider trades, market news as soon as it comes out, and more on the daily, and I only charge a coffee a month. I am not overcharging like these other YouTubers. YouTubers. So happy weekend. Hopefully you guys enjoyed your weekend and enjoyed watching the video. God bless all of you guys. Make sure to go make someone's day after this. Give somebody a compliment. Be nice to people, whatever it is. And also don't forget to get in the Discord, of course. If you want to get in Discord for free, this will likely pay for it. It's Moomoo. It's the third link in the description for a free broker that you can trade on. But you're also getting 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash when you're not trading. So whenever you're not in a trade, Moomoo is letting you earn this high amount of money in interest into your account. But once you sign up and deposit into your account, they're giving you up to 15 free stocks, each valued up to $2,000 per stock, which you can keep or sell, completely up to you, and a $30 cash reward. So courtesy of Moomoo, hooking me up and hooking you up, press that link, sign up, and make a deposit into your account. And the top link under the video is for my custom indicator that I have out right now that is helping people trade. You can plug it into your TradingView charts and it will assist you. It is pattern detection and forecasting. I always have it on standby when I am trading, just to see what could potentially happen, and I love to mess with the time frames and kind of see where things are going to go. It gives me price targets, forecast what the stock might do, so on and so forth. I'm allowing you 2 weeks for free. It's the top link in the description. Go get it now, guys. I love you all. Lottery Socks out.